we are discussing about result of PPH. Why people are so attracted to PPH method for hemorrhoid surgery. So PPH is very important methods and it is lot of popularity. The reason of popularity is in method of surgery because we are operating deep in anal canal in insensitive parts. So as we know, there is a two big group. Either a surgery will control or surgery will cure. Surgery which control has a high recurrence rate, minimal pain, and a fast recovery. Or surgery with cure has high complications, pain, and slow recovery. So PPH or staple is a method which control the hemorrhoidal problem. It do not cure. As you know, it is not operating on hemorrhoid. It just pull it up and reposition the hemorrhoids. So complications is very important part of the results and we divide it into three parts. One is the complications. Second, less common but more important is unusual complication. Usually very few surgery has a unusual complications. And third is due to these unusual complications, there is a new trend. So if we again recollect and rethink scenario, then it will have a three type of results. One small group has a best results. Another very small group has a worst results. And most of the people will have an average result. This is the three scenario of results. People, those who have best results, is you may not imagine that is the way they are best. You go to hospital, you operate today, you have very less pain, faster recovery, you are moving on second days and within few days you are to the work. People who as these things, they are so impressed, so they become naturally, and it should be become popularize this method and advocate each and every one. Okay, you must undergo this method of surgeries because I have recovered very fast. I have very minimal pain. So he will advocate that procedure. But that group is small group. The much larger group has a average results and again a very small group have a worse results. So before you select, one must understand any of the three scenario can happen. And best scenario is definitely best. And if that will happen, you will have a very less pain and a faster recovery.